dhi nyaka e kaunti ma Siaya. Od bura mar adek mar kaunti ma Siaya Oyaw Ayanga Kawuono e nyasi ma otelie kod gavana mar kaunti no James Orengo. E twak mare, gavana Orengo ogolo oko chike mane oketo mar chungo chudo sama nonro dhi nyime, ka koro owacho ni chudo tim mana kaluwore kod chike makare mag chudo. Bende omedo jiwo singo mane oketo mag bero sekta mar thieth e kaunti no, kowacho ni chenro mag kwalo yedhe pod ogo tach e kaunti no, kokwayo jopiny mondo ogol lipot ka gineno yedhe ma iuso kata yedhe mag piny owacho miuso e kuonde uso yedhe mag ji giwegi nyakwa Ramogi. Mano kaka weche ne chalo e kaunti ma Siaya ka James Orengo ne chiwo twak mare.
To be good steward of all the natural gifts.
Order number 2, convocation 2022 at 9.
Mine will be very short. It will be simply to congratulate all of you for having won your seats, and you're now here as legislators. Your role is well known, and we expect you to perform your roles as adequately and efficiently as possible. There are only 3 of them: to make laws, to represent Siaya people, and also to be the watchdog on the government of Siaya.
You are supposed to oversight the executive, and you must perform your role of oversighting the executive. But I also want to just caution that please don't be a hindrance to the performance of the governor.
Mr. Speaker, sir, and the honorable members of the Assembly, in a matter of days, I will nominate and place before you the persons to be appointed as the County Executive Committee members. The nominees will only qualify for appointment after the County Assembly has approved their names, consequent upon scrutiny and vetting. This process requires public participation, just like all aspects of decision-making that affects the people. Together, we can make public participation real and concrete, and not merely a symbolic and theoretical ritual.